With the utility dashboard powered by EnergyPrint, you can quickly see how fluctuations in weather are impacting your building's performance. Weather normalized data tells your true energy story by removing the impacts of weather, which can mask or falsely inflate the benefits of your energy efficiency projects. Within the Weather Profile tab, a green check means there is a strong relationship between weather and energy use, while a red X would signal something else is driving energy consumption. With weather normalized data, we can see how this building is performing with weather variables removed and review changes in heating, cooling, and baseload. Let's look at heating. Here we see build heating has increased by 1.4%. Just below, we see that heating degree days increased, which means it was 7.7% colder than the previous year. If the weather would have stayed the same, the building would have used 5.8% less energy this year. Further down, we have the weather-related property trends section. Each point on the graph is a weather-normalized 12-month period. If energy consumption is consistent, you will see a flat line. But if the line is trending up or down, it's a sign something else has changed within the building. We can also compare how this building is trending against others you are tracking within the utility dashboard. Select a property and click Update Chart to quickly visualize how those buildings stack up. To see more in-depth visuals on how your building correlates to weather, click on View More Weather Data. Here we see a graph showing the statistical output of how your building's energy consumption correlates to weather. A 0.65 or higher indicates a strong correlation, meaning weather does impact the heating or cooling of your building. Below 0.65 indicates there are other factors driving how the building is heated or cooled. This building has a very strong heating correlation at 0.97 and also a very strong cooling correlation at 0.94. To the right we can see that visually. Here we're looking at heating usage compared to degree days. The blue area is the energy consumed to heat the building, and if we layer the weather data over it, we can see that the peaks and valleys follow each other very closely, indicating that weather does impact heating. When energy doesn't correlate to weather, the pattern of consumption and degree days don't follow each other as closely, indicating other factors are driving the building's consumption habits. To learn more about the utility dashboard, visit us online or contact your EnergyPrint representative.